How to get whatever you want. That's the title of the next set of notes. How to get whatever you want. Here's what it says if you're ready. It says, ask That's it. End of notes. Ask. If there's one art in life to learn extremely well, that's got to be one of them. The art of asking. What does ask mean? Ask means, what do you want? And the formula is staggering. It says ask and what? A guy ought to look into that. See, you've got to be better than a good worker. You've got to be a good asker. Now, let me give you 3 key points on asking and receiving. Receiving is automatic. Now, if that's true, receiving is not the problem. What's the problem? Failure to ask might be one of your major problems. I don't know. Check it out. The guy says, oh, now I see it. I got up last year and hit it every day, but there's not a scrap of paper with my goals on it. Good worker, poor asker. So you've got to change that. Here's number 3. Receiving is like the ocean. There's plenty. Success is not in short supply. Here's number 2. Ask with faith. That's the childish part of the equation. Believe you can get what you want like a child. Not an adult. Adults are too skeptical. So the formula really reads, make plans like an adult and believe in them like a child. And the most incredible things will happen. Just try it for 90 days. Just try it. You can always go back to the old ways. Just try it. Just 90 days, 90 days. The world admires the doers.
Hey, Dan from Grindbuddy here. I want to reward people who take action after this video. So I'm giving away $100 to one lucky winner. Like I did with this push-up challenge. You just won $100! All you have to do is send me a photo of your goals on Instagram, TikTok or X. If you need a blueprint, this is how Jimrohn sets his goals. And I'll pick the lucky winner in 1 month after releasing this video. Let's not just wish for a better future, let's design it.